Welcome to our channel, where we explore the endless possibilities.
The Tesmec M5 mechanical trencher is a powerful and versatile machine designed for digging trenches in a variety of soil types and ground conditions. The M5 is a reliable and efficient solution for a range of digging applications. The Deere 1050K is a powerful crawler dozer designed for use in heavy construction and mining applications. With its advanced features and technologies, this crawler dozer provides exceptional performance, productivity, and reliability in even the most challenging operating environments. This machine is equipped with a dual-path hydrostatic transmission that provides smooth and responsive control over the dozer's speed and direction. The Cut Grapple Woodcracker CS780 is a powerful and versatile forestry attachment that is designed to make quick work of even the toughest woodcutting and logging tasks. This attachment is designed to be used with a variety of different machines, including excavators and skid teeters, making it a versatile addition to any forestry operation. The CAT 992K is part of Caterpillar's line of large wheel loaders and is designed to provide maximum productivity in a variety of applications, including quarry and mining operations, heavy construction, and material handling. The machine comes equipped with advanced safety features such as rear-view cameras, collision avoidance systems, and a seatbelt monitoring system to ensure the operator's safety. The Wirtgen W50RI is a small but powerful milling machine designed for use in road construction and maintenance projects. With its compact size and advanced features, this machine is an ideal choice for contractors and other professionals who need to quickly and efficiently remove old asphalt or concrete surfaces. The restoration process involved a complete disassembly of the machine, followed by the cleaning, repair, and replacement of all necessary components. The Van Zelt Moritz Crawler Track with two-blade mowers from BB Umwelttechnik is an innovative technology that combines the benefits of a crawler track and a mowing system. This system is designed for efficient and effective vegetation management, particularly in challenging terrain where traditional mowers struggle to operate. The technology is designed with sustainability in mind. The mobile chipper Genshem 820DQ from Noller Landschaftsflieger impresses with its high-performance potential. The chipping drum is driven directly by an auxiliary engine. All other components, the crane and discharge fan, are powered by the truck's engine. The helix rotor guarantees particularly smooth machine operation. The new breakage protection on the counter knife significantly reduces the risk of failure in the event of foreign objects. New Eagle wheel trenchers are a type of equipment used for digging trenches in the ground for various purposes, such as laying pipes, cables, or drainage systems. These trenchers are known for their durability, efficiency, and versatility in handling different types of terrain. Crawler trenchers are often preferred over wheel trenchers for heavy-duty excavation work, as they can handle larger loads and operate in more challenging conditions. The CAT 637D motor scraper is a large piece of heavy machinery designed for use in earth-moving and construction applications. One of the key features of this scraper is its impressive hauling capacity. It is also designed to operate in a variety of conditions, from wet and muddy to dry and dusty, making it a versatile choice for construction projects in a wide range of environments. The Komatsu WA800 is a large wheel loader designed for use in heavy-duty mining and construction applications. Manufactured by Komatsu, a leading producer of heavy equipment, the WA800 is known for its impressive size and hauling capacity, as well as its advanced features and cutting-edge technology. Its combination of size, power, advanced technology, and operator-friendly design make it a popular choice for mining and construction firms around the world. One of the largest and most impressive bucket wheel excavators in the world is the Bagger 293, also known as the Monster of Lignite. Manufactured by the German company Takraf, this massive machine stands over 96 meters tall and weighs more than 14,000 tons. The Bagger 293 is powered by an electric motor that delivers up to 18,000 horsepower to the machine's massive bucket wheel. The T1255 Terrain Leveler SEM is equipped with a range of advanced features that help to improve efficiency and productivity on the job site. It features a high-capacity cutting drum that is capable of cutting through rock, soil, and other materials with ease, making it a versatile solution for a variety of excavation projects. This not only helps to reduce the environmental impact on excavation projects, but also helps to improve safety on the job site. The Tesmec M5 mechanical trencher is a powerful and versatile machine designed for digging trenches in a variety of soil types and ground conditions. The M5 is a reliable and efficient solution for a range of digging applications. Bobcat skid steer loaders are versatile machines that can be used in a variety of industries, including construction, landscaping, and agriculture. They offer a number of unique opportunities for operators and businesses, including compact size, versatility, maneuverability, increased productivity, comfort, and durability. Overall, Bobcat skid steer loaders offer a unique set of opportunities that make them ideal for a variety of tasks and industries. The John Deere 772 GP is a powerful motor grader designed for heavy-duty road construction and maintenance. It's part of the 700 series of John Deere motor graders, which are known for their superior performance and reliability. The grader is designed with a wide range of features that make it well suited for road construction and maintenance. Despite their size and complexity, bucket wheel excavators are designed to be highly reliable and durable. They are built to withstand harsh mining conditions and can operate for decades with proper maintenance and repair. With their massive size and impressive capabilities, bucket wheel excavators will continue to play a vital role in surface mining operations for years to come. The Vermeer T655 is a powerful and versatile trencher that is designed for heavy-duty trenching operations. It is equipped with a range of advanced features that allow it to cut through even the toughest soils with ease, making it an essential tool for a variety of construction and agricultural applications. The trencher is equipped with a range of advanced features, such as electronic grade control and a digital display. The John Deere 1050 K-Dozer is a powerful and reliable piece of heavy equipment that is designed to handle even the toughest earth-moving and construction projects. With a range of advanced features and cutting-edge technologies, this dozer is one of the most versatile and productive dozers available on the market today. The Steyr SPF 24 and 6 is a versatile soil stabilization machine used for a range of applications in construction, mining, and road building industries. It's designed to effectively mix and stabilize soil and other materials, ensuring a solid foundation for building and paving projects. The machine is equipped with a powerful rotor that is capable of mixing soil, gravel, and other materials to a depth of up to 600 millimeters. The Wirtgen SP25 Paver is a compact and versatile paving machine that is designed to deliver high-quality results for a range of applications. It is ideally suited for urban areas where space is limited and maneuverability is key. With its small size and maneuverability, the SP25 can navigate through tight spaces and work in areas where larger machines cannot. The double-row disc Ripperbrack T26B is a heavy-duty forestry attachment used for ground preparation before planting. It is designed to rip up tough soil and break up any hard ground, leaving behind a more suitable environment for planting trees. The attachment features 2 rows of ripper discs that are mounted on a strong steel frame. The ripper discs are made of high-grade steel, making them tough and durable. The CAT 6040 excavator is specifically designed for large-scale mining operations and heavy-duty excavation projects. With a weight of approximately 1,400 tons, this excavator is one of the largest hydraulic excavators in the world. These include a high-capacity bucket, which can hold up to 34 cubic meters of material, and a powerful hydraulic system that allows the operator to move large amounts of earth and rock quickly and efficiently. A snow groomer is a self-propelled vehicle on tracks based on the design of a tractor. This type of transportation is intended for preparing ski trails and mountain snow-covered slopes, transporting people and rescue operations. The movement of the vehicle is provided by wide tracks with spikes, ensuring stability and allowing it to move on snowy mountain slopes. The tracks are over 1 meter wide, exerting little pressure on the snow and providing excellent stability on mountain slopes. This is a circular saw for wood chipping, designed specifically for sawing large wood. The maximum log diameter that this machine can cut is 70 centimeters. The maximum log length is 9 meters. With the help of this technology, people can prepare firewood for the winter very quickly.